So I just bought a kyoscho fazer D2, like the tuned version, the drift one. And I also bought a smoking exhaust. And I don't know how to plug it in. So let's just try that one. Yeah, now it's powered out. So that was not the right one. Let's just pull that out and stick that back in. Roll. I'm too dumb to stick it into this one. Thank you. This one was in channel 1. Good, now I'm gonna plug that here. That was the servo. Thank you. You go back in channel 1. Very nice. Now this one and this one. So it should be that one. We plug that out. In again. Here. Yeah, and that in channel 2. Maybe that's the code. Yeah, that's the code, right? Okay. I realized I just made a tutorial without even knowing how to plug that shit in. Now you know.